Welcome to Yugo Tempe Terrace, a vibrant student haven designed to make your uni life in Tempe unforgettable, comfortable, and full of possibilities. These charming 1- and 2-bedroom apartments feature a cozy bed for restful nights and a TV lounge for endless entertainment. Your rent covers water, electricity, and internet or cable for added ease. Start your day in the study room, then recharge with a power-packed workout at the gym. Dive into the sparkling pool or soak in the hot tub. To skip laundromat hauls, laundry facilities are available on-site. Pets are welcome here, and there's a secure parking spot available for your wheels as well. With on-site maintenance, life in this gated community stays stress-free. Best of all, Arizona State University and Grand Canyon University are just a quick drive or short stroll away, so getting to class is effortless. Plus, buses from Rural Road and Spencer Avenue, along with the light rail at Rural, make city access seamless. Go on, secure the perfect student haven for yourself at Yugo Tempe Terrace Tempe via amberstudent.com now.